Hello everyone, and today I'll explain how to enable and disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. So in order to do that, let's wake up the screen by pressing the Chrome button, like this. Now on the main screen, swipe down from the very top to open up your quick panel. Find your Do Not Disturb mode, it looks like moon right here, and simply tap on it. Now, if you activate it, the device won't ring or vibrate for incoming calls or notifications, but it won't affect any alarms. So let's confirm our choice by pressing on this blue tick. And now our Do Not Disturb mode available. To disable it, simply activate this quick access menu by swiping down from the top of the screen and press on Do Not Disturb mode once again. Now when it turns bleak, it means it's off. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.